What's going on, everybody? This is Urban J Reviews. Today we are going to take a look at the Dyson Pure Heat Plus Cool. This is an air purifier. Let's get into it. Right, let's get these instructions. But who needs instructions if you're watching this, right? So let's pull this unit out here. Get some of that out. Well, one thing's for sure, the packaging is unique. I finally got it. It's actually smaller than I thought it was, considering how big the box is. So that's a good thing, assuming that it works really good. But the size is much smaller than I thought. Again, guys, I bought this at Best Buy, but you can actually order this on Amazon. I will put a link to this one below. But also, if you don't have a humidifier and you live in a dry climate, you might want to consider getting the one with an actual humidifier built in. Okay, this one is strictly air purification. I will put a link to the one with the air purifier and the humidifier combined, a little bit more, but I will put a link below. Now this product does have a remote, as you can see in my hand right here. So what we're gonna do is we are going to plug it in, play with the remote, and use it without the remote, and let's see how it sounds. And then we'll actually use it and then see if it does anything for the air quality. Right now in Phoenix, Arizona, there's a lot of pollutants in the air. We have fires, we have pollution, high pollution advisories. Something like this is a useful product to have in your home. I'm just gonna leave it wrapped up like that. No need to unwrap it. And I'll go ahead and push the button here for the power. See here's the power controls if you guys watch with the actual unit right there. So power down. That's the heater. You can see there's multiple settings on here. Obviously you have the power button, but then you also have the cool setting, which goes all the way up to 10. That just means how much cold air you want to be blowing. Is it level 1, 2, all the way up to 10? Then you have the hot setting, which goes all the way up to 99 degrees. You have a timer. You also have a manual left and right, so you can do that manually. And then you also have a quarter turn for the revolution or the rotation, and then you have a larger revolution that you can get right there. Now, the big thing that I would like to say is you have to actually point the device at the actual unit. So you can't point away from the unit and expect it to turn on or respond to the wireless remote. You can see it does have a pivot. And then because it's actually cleaning the air, you would imagine there's a filter in there. So now I'm going to show you how to remove the filter. First, you need to unplug it and then push these buttons right here and then pull it up and you will see inside of here is a filter. So you will want to check that and clean it periodically by going to Dyson and ordering the one that is for your unit. In conclusion, this product right here, low maintenance, very quiet. I like how it has the heating and it also has the cooling. I wouldn't say that the cooling is going to do too much for you in a big open air environment, but in a room, like a bedroom, this might work perfect for that environment. If you just want to clean the air in your house or your living room, something like this is perfect. It's quiet. If you put it in the corner, out of sight, out of mind, you won't really hear it, and it does the job. So again, links below. If you want the humidifier, if you live in a dry climate, I will put the link to that also. See you guys on the next one.